If you've ever sat in traffic, thank a car company. But which ones made the biggest impact? Let's speed through the legends of the auto world. Let's start with Ford. Way back in 1908, Henry Ford made the Model T affordable for the masses and the assembly line. Total game changer. Fast forward to today, Ford's still rolling with icons like the Mustang and the F-150. Now, over in Germany, meet Mercedes-Benz. They invented the first gasoline-powered car in 1886. No big deal, right? Today, their star badge stands for luxury, tech, and safety. Japan's star player, Toyota. Known for bulletproof reliability, Toyota made hybrids mainstream with the Prius, and their Corolla is one of the world's best-selling cars, ever. Let's take a quick pit stop in Italy, Ferrari and Lamborghini. If you want style, speed, and a touch of madness, these supercars are the dream. Founded by rivals, driven by passion, and beloved by car fans everywhere. Not to be outdone, South Korea's Hyundai and Kia have gone from budget basics to serious contenders, winning awards for style, tech, and value. The rivalry and innovation keep pushing the industry forward. Electric cars? Tesla's leading that charge, shaking up 100 years of tradition. So next time you see a car zip by, remember, behind every badge is a story of vision, rivalry, and reinvention. Which brand's your favorite? Drop it in the comments.